I just wanted to tell you that you're a phony, a wannabe, a hack. Just another schmuck in Sarasota who can't hack in a big city. He feels more comfortable in this lame fishbowl. Your music is boring, uninteresting, uncreative, pointless, pretentious, and self-indulgent.
Collaborative music band.
Radical experimental collaborative music band. End of year art show retrospective. The end of the dial tone radical experimental collaborative music band. End of the year arts retrospective show, January 15th, Clothesline Gallery. Come see what we've been up to. Yeah.